The Iron Cross is not a single bet, but more like a strategy consisting of multiple individual bets. It enables you to win on every roll except when a 7 appears. This video is based on a written guide by pro craps player and author, Bill Collins. The Iron Cross bet consists of 3 main bets: the place 5, place 6, and place 8 bets, along with a half-sized bet on the field. Let's break it down. The place 5 bet covers the number 5 and wins whenever a 5 is rolled. The payout is $7 for every $5 bet. The house advantage on this bet is 4%. The place 6 and place 8 bets cover the numbers 6 and 8. They win when their corresponding numbers are rolled and pay $7 for every $6 bet. The house advantage on both these bets is 1.54%. The field bet covers multiple numbers: 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, and 12. It wins when any of these numbers are rolled, but loses if a 5, 6, 7, or 8 appears. There are 20 ways to lose and 16 ways to win, giving the casino a 2.78% advantage on this bet. Now here's where things get interesting. The Iron Cross strategy allows you to win on most rolls, but it also comes with some considerations. When you win on the place 5, place 6, or place 8 bets, you'll also lose your field bet. This means you'll need to replace the half-sized field bet from your chip stack each time, reducing your net win. And unfortunately, when a 7 is rolled, it takes down all 4 of your bets, resulting in a loss. So while the Iron Cross might seem like a surefire win, it's crucial to manage your bets wisely. Here's an example of an Iron Cross bet. You make $30 place 5, $36 place 6, and $36 place 8 bets, and you bet $18 on field. Your total bet is $120. When a place 5, 6, or 8 bet rolls, you win $42 for that, but your $18 field bet is swept away, and you must replace it. Your net win on any of those place bets would be $42 minus the swept away $18 field bet, for a net win of only $24. When your field bet wins, you get paid nothing on your place bets, while you receive $18 for your field bet win. Some casinos pay triple on the 12 and double on the 2, so you could win $18, $36, or $54 depending which field number rolled. Here's some expert advice. If you're looking to try the Iron Cross strategy, consider regressing your bet amounts by 50% after a couple of wins. Keep in mind that regressing bets will also mean smaller wins after that point. It's all about finding the right balance for your playing style. The Iron Cross craps strategy can be enticing, especially to new players seeking frequent wins. But be aware that the losing field bet can impact your overall winnings on the place 5, place 6, and place 8 bets. Ultimately, there are other betting options out there that may offer better payouts in the long run. So, if you're in it for entertainment, the Iron Cross might be your go-to bet. But if you're serious about craps and want to maximize your chances of winning, it's worth exploring other strategies. Thank you for joining us for this introduction to the Iron Cross craps bet. If you're eager to learn more about the exciting world of craps or other betting strategies, be sure to check out our Academy guides.